In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly where the controls live, how to enter precise values, and a few practical tips to keep your text looking clean and consistent. First, open Figma and the file you're working on. This can be the desktop app or the browser version. Both have the same interface for what we're doing. Make sure you're on the Design tab in the right-hand sidebar so you can see the formatting options for any layer you select. Next, click the text you want to resize. You don't need to be typing inside the text, simply selecting the text layer is enough. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it and its properties show up in the right sidebar. If your text sits inside a frame or component, that's fine. The size control still works the same way. Now look to the right sidebar for the Typography section. This is where Figma groups all things text: font family, weight, size, line height, and more. If the Typography section is collapsed, click it to expand. We're focusing on the size field. This is the numeric value that controls how large or small the text appears, generally measured in pixels. Click into the size field and type the exact value you want. Press Enter to apply it immediately. If you prefer making small adjustments to see changes in real time, use your keyboard's up and down arrow keys while your cursor is inside the field. Hold Shift with the arrow keys to jump in larger increments. This is great when you're dialing in a headline or fine-tuning body text. As you adjust the number, watch how your text reflows. If your text box is set to auto height or auto width, Figma will resize the box accordingly. If it's inside auto layout, the surrounding layout will adapt to fit the new size, which keeps spacing consistent. When your line height is set to auto, it will scale with the font size, helping maintain readability as you go larger or smaller. A quick sizing tip: many interfaces use around 16 pixels as a comfortable base for body text, then scale up for headings: 24, 32, or 40 pixels, depending on your hierarchy and the platform. The exact numbers will depend on your design, but setting intentional sizes here ensures consistency across your project. That's all there is to it. Open Figma, select your text, head to Typography in the right sidebar, and adjust the size number to get the exact look you want. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!